Okay, so now I'm going to talk about the function of glial cells in the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. So glial cells were originally believed to hold neurons in place. Now we know glia have many different functions. There are two main classes of glia, microglia and macroglia. Microglia act as the primary immune defense of the central nervous system. They will travel throughout the brain and spinal cord and remove things like damaged neurons, pathogens, or other foreign bodies. In microglia, there's the function of astrocytes, a star-shaped glial cell with many of its own functions. These functions include providing nutrient support to neurons, helping repair damage to nervous system tissues, regulating communication between neurons, and maintaining the blood-brain barrier, which keeps potentially toxic substances within the blood from entering the brain, which is a pretty important function. Oligodendrocytes and Schwann cells are both responsible for covering neurons with an insulator material called myelin. Oligodendrocytes myelinate neurons in the central nervous system, while Schwann cells myelinate neurons in the peripheral nervous system. Ependymal cells are found in the walls of the ventricles, where they produce cerebrospinal fluid, which will then circulate around the brain, performing many functions, including protecting the brain from injury and removing waste products from the brain. Radioglia are involved in neurogenesis and neural development. They can create new neurons and also serve as scaffolds along which new neurons can travel from their site of the origin to their final destination in the brain. Satellite cells surround neurons in some parts of the peripheral nervous system, having a protective and supportive function. They are believed to be used to regulate the neuronal environment of the peripheral nervous system neurons.